I think I'm being told to take a call. Pete in Chelmsford. Go ahead, Pete.
Hi, Top Cat. Good evening.
Good evening to you, sir.
George, I like to think I'm among the what you call the vast majority of callers who are speaking good sense. George, I fervently believe, I mean, I don't see how anybody could not believe in the principle of democracy, and I personally believe that in all circumstances the truth is always best and it will always prevail. So, let me ask you a question, George. Well, it's not so much that, it's more of a statement, I think. If you go to, say, Market Raisin in Lincolnshire, or Oakhampton, Selseybill, Lulworth, Chippenham, Brecon, Kings Lynn, any one, or in fact all, of the hundreds of thousands of towns and villages we've got in this country, and you were to hold a random interview with people in those high streets and ask them if they would be happy to hear the call to prayer 5 times a day at a newly built mosque just down the other side of the high street, for their children to go to a school where perhaps 20, 25 different languages were being spoken, if they were happy to mingle with streets full of burqa-clad women peeking mysteriously through their black veils, what do you think their answer would be?
Well, I know what my answer to you is. Go and crawl back under your stone, because you've stumbled onto an intelligent show here, and we don't do racism on this show. So, Pete in Chelmsford, please don't call me again. I'll be back after this break. Now, Ray in Islington thinks Nick Griffin was spot on about London, so we better hear why. Go ahead, Ray.
Yeah, hello, George. Yeah, was a Conservative now. I did vote BNP, but I'm not right. But he was spot on. London they're pits now, and I was born and bred in London. It's added now. I can name you about 12 boroughs you wouldn't want to live in, George.
Oh, that's not true.
It's all right for these politicians who live in Kensington and Chelsea and all the South Kensington and all that, but it ain't all right for the true Londoners.
Well, what do you mean by true Londoners? Anybody...
Yeah, true Londoners, there ain't many of us left, and you know something.
Stop shouting, Ray. Ray, stop shouting. Talk a bit more quietly.
It annoys me.
Ray, stop shouting. I want to have a conversation with you, okay? Now, what do you mean by true Londoners, Ray? Do you mean white people?
Yes.
Well, that means a black person who's born in London, whose father and mother were born in London, but whose pigmentation is different to yours. They're not true Londoners.
When they come over in the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, when's it going to stop?
Ray, are you really saying that someone born in London, whose parents were born in London, but who are black, are not true Londoners?
Pardon? No, they're not, George. I'm sorry.
Well, you're just a racist bigot. So why don't you get back under that stone with the last fellow?